Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can earn 208,000 US dollar per year as a software engineer in product at Meta. So it excludes the bonus, equity and benefits. So yeah, let's go deep into the job responsibilities. So this will be the Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is renowned for its innovative products and groundbreaking technology. At the heart of this innovation are the software engineers specializing in product responsibilities. These engineers are pivotal in creating and maintaining the technology that powers Meta's vast ecosystem. So the responsibilities, it will be first, full stack web mobile application development. One of the primary responsibilities of a software engineer at Meta is full stack web and mobile application development. This involves working with a variety of coding languages to create both the front end and back end of applications. Example, imagine you are part of the team developing a new feature for the Facebook mobile app that allows users to create and share short videos with special effects. As a full stack developer, you would be responsible for coding the user interface front end, where users can record and edit videos, as well as the server-side logic backend that processes and stores these videos. You might use languages like JavaScript for the front end and Python or PHP for the backend, ensuring a seamless and responsive user experience. Next one is creating consumer products and features using Hack. Hack is an internal programming language developed by Meta designed to improve the efficiency and reliability of code. So as an example, suppose you were tasked with developing a new feature for Instagram that recommends personalized content to users. You would use Hack to write the algorithms that analyze user behavior and preferences, ensuring that the recommendations are accurate and delivered in real time. Hack's type checking and performance enhancements help ensure that the feature runs smoothly and efficiently even under heavy user load. Next one is implementing web or mobile interfaces with XHTML, CSS and JavaScript. Implementing user interfaces involves using technologies like XHTML, CSS and JavaScript to create visually appealing and responsive designs. Example of this is, consider you are developing a new layout for Facebook's news feed. You would use XHTML to structure the content, CSS to style it with colors, fonts and layouts, and JavaScript to add interactivity, such as dynamic updates when new posts are loaded. The goal is to create a clean, intuitive interface that enhances user engagement. Next one is collaborating with PM and design teams. Software engineers at Meta work closely with product managers, that is the PMs, and design team to define feature specifications and build products using frameworks like React and React Native. Example, if you are working on a new messaging feature for WhatsApp, you would collaborate with PMs to understand the user requirements and goals. Then you would work with designers to create a user-friendly interface. Using React Native, you would build a cross-platform mobile app that provides a consistent experience on both iOS and Android devices, ensuring that the users can easily send and receive messages, photos and videos. The next one is building and scaling back-end services. Working with operations and infrastructure teams is crucial to build that scale back-end services that support Meta's applications. Example is, imagine you are working on the back-end services for Facebook Marketplace where users buy and sell items. You need to ensure that the system can handle large volume of transactions, provide real-time updates, and secure user data. This involves working with infrastructure teams to optimize server performance, database management, and network configurations, ensuring a smooth and reliable user experience. The next one is building report interfaces and data feeds. Software engineers are also responsible for creating report interfaces and data feeds that provide valuable insights and analytics. Example is, suppose you're developing a dashboard for advertisers on Facebook. You would create interfaces that allow advertisers to view detailed reports on the performance of their ad campaigns. This involves building data feeds that aggregate and analyze metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions. Presenting the data in a clear and actionable format. So the next one is ownership of components, features, or system. Establishing oneself as an owner of particular components, features, or systems is a critical aspect of the role that involves having an expert end-to-end understanding and ensuring consistent performance. For that example is, if you are the owner of the Facebook login system, you would be responsible for ensuring that it is secure, efficient, and user-friendly. This means being the point person for any updates, troubleshooting, and optimizations related to login functionality, ensuring that users can quickly and safely access their accounts. So the next one is successful project completion and high productivity. Successfully completing large scope projects while maintaining a high level of productivity is essential. Example, you can take it as consider you are leading a project to integrate augmented reality features into Instagram stories. This project involves coordinating with various teams, managing timelines, and overcoming technical challenges. By maintaining a high level of productivity, you ensure that the project is completed on time, meets all quality standards, and delivers an innovative AR experience to users. So the summary is, a software engineer with product responsibilities at Meta plays a multifaceted role that demands technical expertise. From full stack development and implementing user interfaces to building scalable backend services and taking ownership of critical components, these engineers are instrumental in driving Meta's technological advancements. If you are passionate about technology and enjoy solving complex problems, this role offers a dynamic and rewarding career path for you. So hope you guys have given your 100% and you will go for it. All the best for your career.